Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use file sharing on Mac. Enable file sharing in System Settings and choose folders to share. Set permissions for each folder so collaborators can read or modify files as needed. Use Finder or Connect via SMB from Windows by entering the Mac network name. For extra security, require user accounts and set strong passwords for each shared account to limit access. First, create a dedicated sharing account on your Mac to protect your main profile and data. Assign appropriate permissions like read only or read, and write based on what others need to do. Regularly review and remove users who no longer need access to reduce risk. Consider using strong, unique passwords, and, when possible, enable two-factor authentication for connected services to strengthen security. To access shared files from another Mac, open Finder and connect to the Mac using its network name or an SMB / address for direct access. Windows users can map the drive or enter the network path using SMB after verifying permissions. If you need access from outside your local network, prefer a VPN or encrypted tunnel to protect data in transit. Always test access with a secondary account before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.